This video we are going to see about Angular migrations. So Angular migration is like we need to proceed this low level Angular applications to high level Angular applications. So first thing we are doing is, see, we are going to globally upgrade the Angular CLI from 1.x to the version we needed. Here I give 6, but we can give any versions that we needed, and we need to upgrade the Angular CLI version in project so that it will get upgraded easily. And we need to upgrade the packages also, because the packages will be set to 1.x or 2.x, something like that. So we need to give like upgradation for these packages that needs upgrades, and we need to upgrade other packages also. And dependencies issues will be coming for this one, so we need to resolve those issues, then it will be ready for the newer versions. So from 2 to 5, 2 to 8, 2 to 10, like that, any version changes you can do easily with these steps. I'll put a detailed video on this later. Thanks team, thanks for the support.